is Shakin Stevens. This is Merry Christmas, everyone. Capo on the 2nd fret. We're going to be using a G. We're also going to be using an E minor 7, a C add 9, and we're going to be using a D. And you want to try with your G, your E minor 7, and your C add 9 to use that approach with those 4 fingers where you're leaving your last 2 fingers on the last 2 strings. And then to the D, like so. Snow is falling. Over to E minor 7, C add 9, G, C add 9, G. And there's this lovely passing chord that you can do, which is really popular. You see this a lot, where you play a G and then an F sharp over G, landing down to the E minor 7, which would go something like this. And I just think there's a bit of flavour when you do that, and it's nice to put that into your locker, okay? So that would be Snow is falling all around. Now do that again. So that's the first part. Now then there's the part that goes doom doom doom. And that's where we bring in the D chord, okay? So that part we're going to go E minor 7, C add 9, G to D, and again, then underneath. So we have Snow is falling, G, E minor 7, C add 9.